My name is Aslam Mullah and I am a registered attorney. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the requirements for a valid antenuptial contract in South Africa. Requirement number one is that the antenuptial contract must be signed and dated before the marriage. It can't be done after the marriage. Number two, the antenuptial contract must be signed and acknowledged by a valid notary, which means that they endorse the antenuptial contract. Number three, the antenuptial contract must be signed in the presence of two witnesses. Number four, make sure that you are not legally married while you sign the antenuptial contract. In other words, if you're still undergoing a divorce process, then you are still legally married, which means that you cannot legally enter into the new marriage, which therefore means the antenuptial contract will not be valid. So therefore, if you have any previous divorces that you're going through or challenging, make sure you finalize that first before you sign a new antenuptial contract. The next important requirement is that the antenuptial contract specifically state that there will be no community of property between the spouses, which means that you are specifically excluding in community of property. I always encourage clients to make sure that they consult with an attorney when signing an antenuptial contract. The reason why is because downloading a contract from the internet is not tailored to your particular circumstances, and also you don't know who drafted that contract. How sound is it? Does it have clauses that protect you, for instance? Therefore, it's very important that you consult with an attorney. Once the contract is signed, the next step is that it gets lodged at the deeds office. Make sure that your attorney is familiar with that process and that it can be done as speedily as possible. If you need help in your situation, whether that's explaining to you and your future spouse how an antenuptial contract works, or you'd like to execute an antenuptial contract, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.